Medium cars.
Good morning, guys. Okay, today we're gonna go and give this Fortuner a tune-up, and we're gonna take off the spark plugs, change the air cleaner, change the fuel filter, which is over there, and then change the interior filter for the AC unit, and that will complete the tune-up. Okay, so just sit and watch and learn. Nice. Make sure these This video is sponsored by Muscle Shirts, the premier online store for everything car related. Please check us out at muscleshirts.store and support us by getting one of our awesome products. We have a 15% discount for you at the checkout. Link in the description. Oops, I forgot to connect the intake air sensor, you dummy. It's not gonna run without any kind of mass airflow to the air cleaner, right guys? Alright guys, just to let y'all know, the fuel filter has been changed, and I lost the video footage of that, but you know, you get the point. It's located in the driver's side near the battery. It looks like a round cylindrical type thing, and you can't miss it. It's right by the battery. Alright, I want to thank you guys for participating and watching the video, and I hope you all enjoyed it. If y'all did, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and show it to somebody that might enjoy it. And thank you very much for watching the video. See you in the next video. Well guys, I wish we had Feel-O-Vision in here, but it's cold as hell. Yes, very cold. So looks like the filter has not been changed since God knows how long. I never changed it because the car was never brought to my attention, and tune-up was done elsewhere. So, and that is the way it is. It's very cold though.